the credit of the trial courts, what you were talking about, the judge of the trial court has also initiated departmental proceedings against the IO. That also is something which I want you to comment on, because court not only flagged the tainted investigative material, but also recommended the initiation of departmental proceedings against the erring investigating officer for implicating Kuldeep Singh as an accused in the absence of any material against him. The judge did so to ensure that accountability, and I'm reading this portion from Live Law, which is correctly portraying what actually the court said. The judge did so to ensure that accountability is fixed and the institutional credibility of the investigative machinery is preserved. And I'm quoting again: to permit such conduct to pass without consequence would erode public confidence in the administration of criminal justice and would amount to tacit judicial approval of investigative impropriety, an outcome which the rule of law does not permit. What would you say to this, sir? Because it's like a watertight verdict where no scope is left, where people can say, okay, so there's actually no scope to let the accused, to let the CBI or any other investigating agencies have any outlet.
No, look, when any judge writes 500 pages, there will always be lawyers who can find some scope to argue. So I don't believe that there is any matter where there is no scope whatsoever. Yes, one must commend the judge for not leaving it at only a discharge of the accused. He has asked right questions and he has wanted accountability to be fixed. Because, after all, so much judicial time, which is a non-renewable resource, has been wasted on this prosecution at various stages. Had this prosecution been subject to an audit before it was launched, if the right questions had been, then there would not have been in those arrests. Without those arrests, all those several bail applications in the various courts and the Supreme Court, how much judicial time was wasted because the investigating officer did a shoddy job? So yes, there has to be accountability.